say? Who's on the video with MakeupShae? What is good? What is going on, my YouTube fam? If y'all are my return OGs, what it do, cuz? What's up? If this is your first time, we welcome you with open arms. But to become a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below on your left, big red button. You can't miss it, just tap it. And right next to that is this beautiful bell, y'all. This beautiful bell is called the notification bell. So you tap that and you can be notified every time your girl MakeupShae, that's me, uploads a video. Today's video is this look here. And y'all, this was a struggle. It's easy, it's simple, but it still was a struggle for me, at least technical wise. My computer, my camera, everything was just messing up. So some parts got recorded, some parts didn't get recorded, but for the parts that I did, I hope you was able to get something from it. I'm trying my best, you guys. I'm trying my best. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this look right here. It was like a sunset type vibe with a glitter liner. So if y'all liking what y'all seeing, please hit that thumbs up button because that helps me out a lot. I love you guys. Make sure you stay tuned. More to come. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye.